friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. In today's video, we are going to discuss about abstraction. What is abstraction? Abstraction means hiding the lower level details and exposing only the essential and relevant details to the user. For example, all are performing operations in ATM like money transfer, cash withdrawal, retrieving mini statement, etc. But we cannot know the internal details of the ATM. Let's understand better by looking into an example. So I have already created a package called Abstract Test. Now I'm going to create a class. So while selecting the class, I am taking banks as an example. So since I am giving abstract keyword, I am giving this class name as main bank. So here I have to select abstract. Now we have created an abstract class. As soon as we create an abstract class, we can see a small icon like A here. If I attempt to remove this abstract keyword, then we can see that this class becomes a normal class. So let's give some method for this abstract class. Public, here also I have to give the abstract keyword. Public abstract void, let's say credit. Public abstract void debit. There's no need for us to give the body for this abstract method because we have given the abstract keyword here. Suppose if I wanted to give a body, then I have to give the static keyword here. Static void, let's say loan. So here I have to give the body. So in abstract, both the descriptions, this is description, and the definition is also allowed. This is the definition. The body is called the definition, is also allowed in abstract. Instantiation cannot be done in abstraction. What is instantiation? Here's how instantiating is done. I'm just giving a main method. Instantiating means creating an object and trying to call the methods into the main method. Let's see whether instantiation works in abstraction. So I wanted to call this credit and debit method. First, I'm creating an object. So object creation is done with the name of the class. I'm giving a reference A and then new keyword and then again the name of the class. Now A dot credit. Okay, but here it shows an error. It says that cannot instantiate the type main bank. Let's see whether we are able to call the static method. Yes, we are able to call this loan method. In abstraction, instantiation cannot be done when we give an abstract keyword. I have already created two additional classes, which is RBI Bank and SBI Bank. All I wanted is to inherit the methods from main bank to RBI Bank and SBI Bank. So I'm using the extends keyword. Extends main bank. Okay, I'll just remove this. This is not necessary anymore. So now it asks for us to add the unimplemented methods. So we can see the override annotation here. The methods which I have given the abstract keyword are forcefully implemented. Yes, credit and debit are forcefully implemented. If needed, we can implement this loan method also. So in abstraction, implementation is partial. That is, forceful implementation is also done and optional implementation is also done. Let's give a sys out. The same thing goes for SBI Bank. I'm just extending the abstract main bank. So object creation is done. In order to call the methods into the main method, RBI Bank A is equal to new RBI Bank A dot credit A dot debit. Let's save the program and we look at the output. So we got output as credit logic, debit logic, which was from the main bank. So RBI Bank and SBI Bank are the subclasses of the main bank. Main bank is the superclass. These subclasses can have its own individual methods. Let's say we can give another individual method, like instead of debit, I'm giving as education loan. So education loan can also be called inside the main method. Abstraction is similar to interface, but there is a slight difference. In interface, we can see that after creating the superclass, we were able to call all the methods to the subclasses. Like we were able to call from the vehicles test to the car test. But here we are using the implements keyword. In abstraction, we are using the extends keyword. Another difference is that in interface, we can use two interfaces. But in abstract, it is not possible. There is only one abstract that can be extended. Another difference is that in abstraction, we can able to call from one class to another class. Let me try to call the class RBI Bank to SBI Bank. So I'm extending RBI Bank. RBI Bank is also a class. Yes, we are able to extend from one class to another class, but this is not possible in interface. So friends, this is all about abstraction. We will meet with another topic in my next video. Thank you.